Hi everyone and welcome to a new property tour. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Umbria, close to the town of Assisi, an enchanted destination famous among pilgrims because it was the place where St. Francis was born, where he lived and where he died. Together with almost all of its surrounding areas, Assisi was named a World Heritage UNESCO Site. Today, we are going to tour together a lovely country house located on a hilly position with an incredible view on the valley right below. It is just a few kilometers from Assisi. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property is surrounded by 400 beautiful olive trees, and they are ideal to produce our own Italian olive oil. They are enclosed within a 2.5 hectares plot of land, which is totally fenced. All of this together enriches this property, enhancing its already wonderful atmosphere. The property is made up of 3 separate buildings, a swimming pool and a garage. The first and largest building is this one on my left. It is 2 floors with 260 square meters. Then there is the pool area with its pool house. That pool house is mainly used as a spa and fitness area. The third and last building is right here on my right, and the top floor is dedicated to a kitchen ideal for barbecues, whereas the bottom floor is used as a wine cellar. Let's now talk about what is probably one of the best outdoor spaces of the property, the swimming pool area. It is a 14 by 7 meters swimming pool and it is L-shaped, surrounded by this gorgeous terracotta paved sunbathing area, and it is the ideal place to spend your summer holidays. Right beside the swimming pool, we find this lovely pool house. It is mostly used for a spa. In fact, here we find this lovely sauna over here. Whereas through this door, we get to another room dedicated to a fitness area. Let me show it to you. The main room is dedicated to what would be a gym, and it has direct access to the swimming pool. Whereas on the left, we find a bathroom with shower, and right beside another shower. Right behind me, you see the main country house. It is the gem of the property. 260 square meters laid on 2 floors. It is made up mostly of stone and terracotta. Let's see it inside. Accessing the ground floor, we straight away notice these broad living spaces. These refined terracotta on the floor and these lovely wooden beams. Then, as we keep going, we pass through this wonderful arch, which leads us to this really spacious living area. It has an L-shaped with a piano room in the end. Whereas in front of me, we find this fireplace right beside these 2 windows which lead to a wonderful loggia. Let me show it to you. Questo luogo riassume lo stile di vita dell'Umbria. La loggia, le travi, il pavimento in cotto, la vista sul verdeggiante paesaggio e questa piacevole brezza, ideale per le più calde giornate estive. On the other side of the ground floor, we find this hallway which brings on the center to the kitchen, on the left to a laundry room, whereas on the right to a bathroom. The first floor is where we find all of the bedrooms. It can be accessed not only through the internal staircase, but also through an external staircase here on my left. Let's see one of the bedrooms. It starts on my right. It is very spacious and it has a parquet floor and ensuite bathroom on my left. To the other side of the floor, we get to the other 2 bedrooms. The one right behind me is the first one. It has direct access to a wonderful terrace and its ensuite bathroom. The third and last bedroom starts with a walk-in wardrobe right behind me, and over here a large bathroom. The actual bedroom is very bright thanks to the perfect sun exposure of this country house, and it is connected to probably one of the most wonderful spots in the whole property. Let me show it to you. Have a look at this incredible infinity view of the Umbria countryside from this terrace. This place is the ideal location to end today's property tour, which I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Ciao!